The whole meet is just whoa. This whole camera thing. Let's go.
You're not used
And
to this.
I'm not used to this. I don't like talking to like not knowing, but we just walked into the clean culture meet and we're gonna see what's happening.
The greatest vlog ever.
It's so amateur because this is the first one that's going up.
Yeah, greatest. Oh shit!
And I don't know what I'm doing. Are you vlogging my vlogging experience?
Yeah, hold on.
Hold up.
Hold on. Try camera's perspective.
Oh shit.
Look, where's Andrew? Oh shit! Vlogception. Fuck. Vlogception.
I'm gonna have to make like
Damn, we got the whole gang.
Slow down and actually look at.
I want to start at that end.
Okay, we'll start at that.
I actually am. Do you want to be in it?
You gotta introduce.
I need Cloudboy.
Like,
So this is Cloudboy's girlfriend.
Cloudboy's someone back there.
Cloudboy's girlfriend, Kenzie.
There's Anthony right here. Luis,
Hi.
Slidey Boy 86.
Yes, sir.
And then I drive a clapped out Civic. Omar,
Yeah.
where's Omar's Verbal
right
Tune ST?
That E36 clean, bro. Oh, there's Andy's car. I see it.
Hella cars.
There's Andrew.
We got Notorious VQs over here. Team Elevate, wide body BK2. Beautiful MR2. That FD though. VSKFs too. Brembo brakes with it, with the VSKFs.
What is he like?
All of these are clean culture cars. Official clean culture cars. Yo, Underglow is making a comeback hella hard. Slam 5.0 Mustang. Lexus F Sport. Oh wait, just Turbsky right out the front. Jeez. Sleeper S from the back, you know. Can't see nothing, just a normal S500, and you just get up front. Nice turbo sticking out of the hood. BRZ with the butterfly doors. He's got a hardline bag setup. Jeez. The Valenti taillights, I think. I don't have an 8.6, so I don't know. Likewise, shift knob, I can see it in there. I know the lighting's horrible, can't really see it. One day, bro. One day, I'm gonna get an S13. Bro, he's got the laptop right there, ready. Jeez.
Are you tuning, bro?
Are you tuning it right now? You trying? tech software pulled up. They're getting ready to street tune that thing. Ooh. Yeah, those VSKS are clean. Look at his setup. I'm just on an iPhone and a phone stabilizer. He's got a whole gimbal. Hey, Instagram stance_Mario. APR performance wing, carbon fiber trunk, carbon fiber diffuser.
Alright, let's go look.
He's circling around. Can't park out here? Okay.
I didn't park here. Okay.
It's gonna get towed? Alright.
Hey, Luis, I got a spot right next to
Alright, so we actually did park here and we don't want any of our cars to be towed. So we're gonna go move our cars right now.
Where are we gonna go though?
I mean, we could try to get in. He's just gonna say posted up. Yeah, this cop's gonna say posted up till somebody moves. He's probably gonna get all of our plates and everything. My 9th gen, I gotta move it. 2013 coupe. We gotta walk back to the fucking meet. Had to park down the street. There's open spots in the meet now. I really want them to open it up so we can all go park in there. Dude, like they're bright. There's sheesh. It looks like some people are leaving the meet and stuff, so maybe they'll open it back up.
Word that they're opening back up. Nobody's coming in. Okay. Sorry. Thank you.
No, somebody just went in behind you, right?
Can't be everywhere, man.
So where can people park at?
Don't know, but don't park until you're done.
Fast and Furious. We got the Stay Ill short bus. These 8.6s again. We just keep finding our way back to these 8.6s. Oop, we're in the shot. I felt so bad I just ran into a shot. Emil's car.
Also, my footage is probably gonna look laggy compared to yours. I have it at 24 FPS.
Hey. Train horn. God damn.
Cars off the lot.
We got him right here putting stickers out on who to tow. We got another tow truck coming in.
Did you really?
Jeez. One dude already got towed. And this guy's literally, they're literally about to fucking tow this dude. Exactly.
That was the most stock BMW you could have towed. You put one on his mom, you put like two. Some mom's gonna be out here freezing with her kids. Like, where the fuck's my car, guys? I have to do it. Oh yeah, he towed it away. Sorry. Probably broke it too because he doesn't know how to do it on lower vehicles. Hey, what's at the restaurant?
You like that long
Domino's Pizza Man just trying to chill, make his deliveries. Hey, you a real one if you get this reference. Hey, pizza boy, streets closed.